here in Ado-Odo, listen to the MD while he talks more about this project.
So if we go inside now, you see some of our landlords already building their poultries, pig pen and the rest of them. So that is supposed to be on this side of the city. And then you have the recreation house at the center, somewhere here, yeah? Then the residential wing is the palm layout at the top. We've also allocated a lot of places at the residential wing. And so from that wing, you see all the districts inside the agro-smart city. But majorly one of the biggest investment we have here is the PalmRich Estate projects. And it occupies over 70% of the land with oil palm. If you look at this location or this terrain, you will see a lot of palm trees doing well. So the test of the soil and everything was carried out, and we saw that this is going to accommodate a larger development of oil palm plantation. This is not our first. We started from a Lagos, it's already fruiting, the trees are grown. Then Ibadan, already fruiting, producing. We have a milling capacity, 1.5 ton per hour. And also, we got a mill donated by the federal government last year. So we have these projects running for the past 5 years, and we have created 8 of its kind. So we're going to be moving from here to another bigger size like this in Ewekoro, which is also massive and bigger than where we are right now. Thank you, and thank you for questions.
So we are still selling people. Do not sleep on PalmRich Estate Phase 7 with 1,025,000 naira. You subscribe to one plot. It's a resort, so you can come in here, relax and enjoy, cool terrain environment, and earn as well when we plant, harvest and process your oil and sell off. You earn effortlessly. So this is it, people. Your land appreciates in value. You earn passively from oil palm farming. We also expertly manage it and all. Security here is top notch, so your palm fruit and all is safe. So I remain Precious Obong. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Like and share my video, subscribe so you can be see you in my next video. Bye bye.